How to use OpenSea NFT trading beginners tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use OpenSea NFT and how we trade, buy and sell NFTs on world's first and largest NFT marketplace. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to OpenSea.io and you will land on this platform right here. OpenSea is world's first and largest NFT marketplace, which works on Ethereum and now on Solana and other blockchains as well. OpenSea is really famous. It has all of the famous collections that you have heard about, CryptoPunks, and then we have Bored Ape Yacht Club, Cool Cats, all of the famous NFT collections that actually define the NFT community are found on OpenSea. So, how to get started with OpenSea, and if you are exploring the NFT marketplace for the first time, this community, how OpenSea helps you, that's what we will cover today. Once you get to OpenSea.io, in order to create NFTs, to buy NFTs, to sell NFTs, you require a crypto wallet. Any wallet that will help you secure your assets. In this case, we can actually get a MetaMask wallet. Getting a MetaMask wallet is really easy as a complete beginner. You can just go to metamask.io and you can just set up a password, create an account, and you will get your own MetaMask. On MetaMask, we have Ethereum and we can add other networks as well, such as Polygon, Arbitrum, and we will be able to actually use OpenSea really easily and actually buy NFTs with our wallet. So once you have your MetaMask, you will connect it to the OpenSea. Just click on this wallet icon right here and it will allow you to connect MetaMask. There are other wallets as well that you can connect to OpenSea, such as Wallet Connect, and then we have Coinbase Wallet and Solana wallets to connect to OpenSea. So you just click on the wallet icon, connect your wallet, and you're good to go. Now we have to explore different NFT collections on OpenSea. So you can just click on the explore option. On OpenSea, we have all type of NFT, which is going to be an open marketplace. Then we have art NFTs, collectibles, domain names, music, photography, sports, trading cards, utility, and virtual worlds. If you want to check out the top and trending collections on OpenSea, then you will get right here. You will be able to see all of the famous collections on OpenSea. For example, right now we have the potatoes at the top, and then we have like Ethereum names, we have scribbles, infamous agents, and all of the other famous collections. You will be able to see their floor price and the volume right here. So this is in order to buy. Let's actually divide this video into two sections: buying NFTs and then selling NFTs. So first of all, we will go to the selling option. In order to sell NFTs on OpenSea, what you guys need to do is you will click on this create option and it will allow you to sell NFTs, and you can sell your NFTs for thousands of dollars using OpenSea. So that's what we call the NFT trading. In this, we can also buy NFTs and flip them. That we will cover in the next section of this video in how to actually buy NFTs. So here we have create new item. I will quickly give you a demo how to mint an NFT on OpenSea. First, select the NFT. I'm going to quickly go ahead and select an art that I created. So this is my recent art that I created for free using Canva. We can upload any type of NFT here, MP3, MP4, 100 MB is going to be the size. You give your NFT a name. Then we have an external link that we add. It's optional. You enter the description. You select the collection. As a complete beginner, you don't need to create a collection. A collection will automatically be created once you mint your NFT. If you want to create a collection on OpenSea, you can go to your profile right here, click on My Collections, and create a collection in order to actually mint a lot of NFTs together. Then we have properties, levels, and stats. These are going to be the different traits we have. For example, this will help us with the rarity of any NFT. For example, I have thousands of NFT in my collection. Then each NFT should have its own properties. It will have its own rarity among the others. And that will actually help me rank it higher. And that will help me increase the floor price of my NFT. Then we have supply and blockchain. This is an important option while minting your NFT on OpenSea. So what you will do is You will select the blockchain. We have Polygon, we have Arbitrum, Avalanche, Optimism, and others. At first, OpenSea only offered Ethereum, but now actually we get a lot of other networks on Ethereum. We also have Solana. So if you want to sell Solana NFTs on OpenSea, then you can use it. Of course, once you've entered all of the details right here, click on the create option at the bottom and you will be able to create your NFT. Let me actually show you quickly some of the NFTs that I have already minted on OpenSea. So you can see I have like two. This is the one that I actually minted before. And once you actually add your NFT, you mint your NFT, this is what it will look like. It will show you your blockchain. We will have the collection name, the name of the NFT, and this is our NFT. In order to sell it, click on the sell option and you will be able to actually see this is an art I created for free using Canva. I can sell it for, let's go with fixed price, and we have Ethereum. If I sell it for maybe 0.07 Ethereum, 0.07 Ethereum, I will be making $100. It's going to be equal to 108.51 in total. This is actually not a bad art, and I can sell it for maybe $100. So you can see how I will be making $100 with a free NFT art that I created. And it's not just this. If your art is good, we can sell it for, let's say you just sell it for 1 Ethereum and you will be making $1,500. This way we can make up to millions of dollars, thousands of dollars with our NFT collection. So this is actually one of the most active community out there, and that is why it's becoming really famous. And you can also create your collection using OpenSea. So you can see we can sell our NFT now. The service fee on OpenSea is going to be 2.5% and the creator fee is 0%. You can complete your listing and sell your NFT for thousands of dollars on OpenSea. This is about the selling part. Now let's switch to the buying part on OpenSea. Buying also kind of like involves the flipping, which a lot of people don't know about. First of all, simple buying. You check out a collection or you check out an NFT and you open it up. What I'm going to do is I will be opening up a NFT for you guys from the top collection. Let's go with this one. So I have opened up one of the all-time, favorite NFT collection. You can see right here, everybody loves CryptoPunks, and a lot of people assume that when we refer to NFT, these are what NFTs are, these monkeys, but there are actually thousands of collections out there. So you can see we have our NFT right here. This is actually one of the most expensive collection. I'm gonna go with price low to high and select maybe this one. Let's say I want to buy this NFT. Select it. Then we have our number right here, the number of this NFT in collection. Then we have our, blockchain right here, which it's on Ethereum. It's 13 Ethereum, this NFT right here, which is the cheapest NFT in this collection, and it's $20,000. What you will do is scroll down to check out the different offers for this. Then we have properties. You can see the rarity. Once you have checked it out, click on add to cart. It will open up your wallet for you. You just need to do the transaction and you will be able to buy this NFT. There is also make offer option, which allows you to actually kind of like make an offer, make a bid on the NFT and try to get it in the price you want to pay. So this is the simplest buying. Then we have flipping. What is flipping? Well, on OpenSea, you can not only buy and sell NFTs, you can also flip it. You can also do the trading, what we call. What will happen is you will select a new collection for this. You will not be going for an already famous collection, I would suggest. So I have opened up this collection right here, which is the Thunderbirds International Rescue Club. Now you can see these are NFTs and they're actually a little cheaper. This one is 0.016 Ethereum, which is going to be like $30, $50, I'm not sure, but like cheap, less than $100. So what I will do is I will buy this NFT, or I can place a bid and buy it for $30, $40. I have this NFT now. I own it. I can use a tool known as rarity.tools to actually check out the rarity of this NFT and kind of like get an idea if this NFT has the potential to increase in future. right now, if this collection is new, it's not that famous and people are not familiar with it, what I can do is I can buy this NFT, keep it to myself, wait for a few months when the collection, kind of like explodes. And later I can sell this NFT for 1 Ethereum, 2 Ethereum. The NFT I bought for $30 or $40, I can sell it for thousands of dollars if I want to. So that is how we do the NFT flipping. And it's actually a really easy method and it helps you make some extra dollars of the NFTs. It's called NFT flipping. There are royalties to the creators. Of course, you will be sending them some royalties, for example, 10%, 20%, but you make your profit. This is called NFT flipping. So yeah, guys, this is all about OpenSea.io. I wanted to give you an overview how to trade, how to do OpenSea NFT trading, how to buy NFTs, how to sell NFTs, and how to flip NFTs using OpenSea.io. You can go ahead and get started now, create a wallet connected, and make thousands of dollars or take part in the NFT community. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.